step by step.
Trick or treat with Step this Halloween. Read my book, Step is Trick or Treating. Happy Halloween!
Step is trick-or-treating. He is Step. He is a kid. They are costumes. Is he a ghost? No! Is he a black cat? No! Is he a witch? No! Is he a pumpkin?
Yes!
Step is trick-or-treating at school. Trick or treat. It is big. It is little. Step is trick-or-treating at home. Trick or treat. It is long. It is short. Step is trick-or-treating at the shop. Trick or treat. It is hard. It is soft. Step is trick-or-treating at the festival. Trick or treat. It is yummy. It is yucky. How many candies?
Wow, candies!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10.
Happy Halloween!
Have a happy Halloween with Step is Trick-or-Treating. Buy it now. Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
This book also includes the visual vocabulary glossary, helping you to read the book. And don't forget the Halloween-themed activities, including a coloring page and a word tracing activity. For everything step by step, check us out at sbses.jp. Thank you. Step by step.
Like and subscribe.